So you know how you can normally see the city off the back of my balcony? Well, today you can't. I guess this is what they call a dust storm. No, but seriously, like, look at this. Look at it. So dusty. I wasn't really planning on cleaning up the porch today, but I think that all of this dust kind of makes it necessary. So, here we go. It's like this super fine, I don't even know what you call it. It's like sand in the air. So this week has been super, super exciting, also really busy. I finally got my C shipment, which arrived on Tuesday, and I also took my driving license exam that morning. So that day was really stressful. Luckily, everything worked out in the end. I ended up getting my driving license. My C shipment arrived. They were kind enough to wait for me to get back from the driving license because it took really, really long time. So my appointment was at 6:30 in the morning, so I got there like right before 6:30. And then I ended up having to wait until probably close to 10 a.m. before they actually took me into the car. It was me and 3 other girls, and we were the last 3 of the day, and there were like 50 plus people, and they just didn't have that many officers to like take everyone around. So by that point, I was really frustrated and really tired. And I was also really nervous because obviously we speak different languages, and there's kind of a language barrier there between me and the cop, or the police officer, whatever you want to call them. But it ended up working out okay, thank goodness, and I have a license now, so next week I get my rental car, and then from there I'll be looking for a permanent car. So yeah, like I was saying, my C shipment arrived on Tuesday, and I've already done like a bunch of unboxing, but my apartment is still a huge mess right now. And last night I actually went to IKEA and got the last of the furniture that I wanted to get, so I have a bed frame coming and some more storage furniture and a little desk. So that will be coming on Sunday, and today I'm just gonna continue unboxing everything and just trying to clear out some of the storage bins that came with my stuff. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today, and I figured it'd be fun if I show you guys everything as I unbox it, and you can see the big mess that my apartment is right now, and then hopefully next week it'll be a lot more organized and I can show you guys that transformation too. So let's go. Okay, so my kitchen is probably the most complete, I guess you could say, as far as unboxing goes. I've got pretty much everything in here unpacked. Like for instance, this will be my pantry. You can see the mason jars and everything that I'll put spices and whatnot in. And then we have my plates that have finally arrived. So I have a full dining set now. The only thing, pretty much all of the cabinets have something in them, but this one over here is still functioning as like my junk drawer. So once I get some storage furniture, hopefully I'll get rid of that. And then this is my living room, which is a mess of storage bins that came off the C shipment. So that's what I'm gonna try and tackle today. I have a bunch of bins that are still full over here, and then some also that I've already emptied. So I'm gonna try and get those out of the living room to make it a little bit more homey and less like a storage room. And yeah, my TV is pretty much just sitting on this folding table right now until my furniture comes on Sunday, which will make it nice as well. And then we have this little plant corner right here with my door piece that I made from New Orleans, and then my little fake plant here and Bradley's toys down there. So yeah, this is my bedroom. And right now it's pretty much just functioning as a storage location for everything that I took out of boxes, because I wanted to get the actual boxes out of the apartment, so I went ahead and just like unboxed all of them, but now all the stuff is just on the floor. So today I'm gonna try and put some of that stuff away as well so that I can make room for the furniture that I'm getting in. And yeah, the bathroom is pretty much already done, so nothing too exciting in there, but we'll get to unboxing now, I think. Everything has been unboxed, at least. Got a few boxes going with stuff for storage. And yeah, now I just have to go through everything. So I got a bunch of empty boxes, which is good. But yeah. So I think this was probably my least exciting video yet, and hopefully next week has a little bit more exciting content. I did want to share with you guys that I booked my first trip for this year. So in 2 weeks, I will be going to Georgia. Not the state, but the country. It's a little bit up north and it'll be cooler there, more winter-like. It's supposed to be a really nice old town, and then also have surrounding wine country and lots of interesting little historical pieces about it. So I'm excited for that. I'm going with 2 people from work, so that should be fun. I'm actually going up 2 days early. Unfortunately, we have some stuff at work that I'm supposed to be at work for, so I had to shift my schedule a little bit differently, but I plan on taking those 2 days to just kind of do some things in the city and do some little tours, and then have some wine touring with them when they get there. So that should be fun. And yeah, other than that, I'm getting my rental car this week, so I should be mobile. So hopefully next week I will get to go some places that I haven't gotten to go yet, like the dog beach and stuff like that. So anyways, I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.